Welcome to our security podcast. Today we're dissecting CVE 2025-66478, a critical remote code execution vulnerability in Next.js server components and React server components RSC. Discovered in late 2025, this flaw allows attackers to execute arbitrary code on the server, and we'll cover how it works, who's affected, and most importantly, how to protect your applications. CVE 2025-66478 impacts Next.js applications using React server components and RSC Next.js integration. The issue was published on December 3, 2025 by GitHub EM in their security advisory. Affected versions include Next.js Canary releases prior to the patched 13.417 Canary 0 and stable releases before the upcoming fix. This vulnerability does not affect pure React front-end projects that do not use server components. This is a remote code execution, RCE vulnerability arising from insufficient input validation in the React server components pipeline. An attacker can craft malicious payloads targeting the server-side renderer, injecting code that the server will deserialize and execute. The flaw is categorized under improper neutralization of special elements in inputs, leading to arbitrary code execution. Security researchers published a high-fidelity detection mechanism to identify both CVE 2025-55182 and CVE 2025-66478 exploitation attempts. The advisory details new exploit chains where specially crafted headers or request bodies trigger the server-side renderer to evaluate untrusted data. Detection methods include updated IDS/IPS signatures, Yara rules, and runtime hooks in Node.js environments. The recommended remediation is to upgrade to Next.js 13.44.17 Canary or later, or downgrade to a pre-Canary stable release until the patch lands. Developers should also rotate all server-side secrets and tokens, invalidate existing session keys, and audit deployment pipelines for unauthorized code injections. React-only front-end code bases that don't employ server components are not vulnerable. CVE 2025-66478 underscores the risk of executing untrusted data in server-rendered frameworks. If you're running Next.js with the React server components, apply the patch immediately, rotate secrets, and monitor your logs for suspicious activity. Stay subscribed to official security advisories, integrate the new detection mechanisms into your toolchain, and keep an eye on your CI/CD pipelines. That wraps up our deep dive. Stay secure, and thanks for listening.